Here are the top mistakes that home sellers are making in today's market. So whether you're about to list your home or already in the process, make sure to avoid these mistakes. Mistake number one is overpricing your home. You know, it's tempting to set a high price with the thought process of negotiating down, but this strategy can backfire. See, overpricing can lead to your property sitting on the market too long, and this makes it less attractive to potential buyers. A tip would be to work with your local real estate broker, me, to set a realistic price to get the most activity for your home. Mistake number two is poor home presentation. You know, first impressions matter. And if your home doesn't wow from the start, this can turn buyers off even before they step inside. A tip would be to invest some time and money into staging your home. See, mistake number three is neglecting online marketing. In today's age, most buyers, almost all the buyers, will start their search online. See, if your house isn't featured on all the websites and all the social media sites, you're missing out on a huge pool of potential buyers. My tip would be to work with me to create an online digital presence so you get the maximum exposure for your house. Mistake number four is ignoring needed repairs. See, if you ignore needed repairs, it's going to be a very costly mistake. Buyers are turned off by homes that need immediate work, and this also gives them a reason to negotiate the price down. So what my tip would be is to fix those repairs before you list your house. See, this shows the buyers that the house has been very well maintained and it's in move-in ready. So by avoiding these mistakes, your house is going to sell quickly and for the best price. I'm Jay Cannone. You can reach me at 203-209-2529. You can text me there as well, or email me at jay@jaycannone.com. Hey, thanks for watching this video and enjoy the rest of your day.